Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deadlifted, your online personal trainer. And today I brought for you a 10-minute glute workout for postpartum moms or busy moms or busy women that are trying to place some exercise into their routine and able to really build their strength. This is a strength glute exercise. This routine has 4 exercises in total. We're going to be doing each exercise 3 times, 12 reps. And there are 3 reasons why I decided to put together this exercise in this workout routine. One is for safety. After you've given birth, your body you need to be a little bit gentle with your body. So you need to incorporate some low impact exercise, and this routine is very good. If you're months into your postpartum, you can add some equipment. The second thing is that it targets the muscles. The glutes, for being more specific. Why we're targeting the glutes with this exercise is because after we give birth, we normally tend to be a little bit weak from that area, and strengthening the glutes is very beneficial for stability, for mobility, and strength in general. So if you're carrying your kid, your child, it's very essential to have some stability when you're doing that movement. And the last is that you can, by the time you can increase the intensity with these 4 movements. So these are the 4 reasons why I decided to put together this workout session so you can really start exercising. That's the reason why I decided to put together these 3 movements into this workout routine, so you can take your time if you want to take it low, or if you want to do it more intensity, you can add some equipment. As we mentioned, will be 4 exercises in total, 3 sets, 12 reps. In between sets, we're going to rest 30 seconds. If you don't want to rest, don't rest. But remember to take your time, listen to your body, and don't push it if you cannot do it. We're going to start with a warm-up. We're going to march and make circles with our both hands stand. We're going to do this for 50 seconds. And we're going to just take it easy if you want to take it easy. If you now, you can go more faster, okay? Depending how far you are after giving birth. I am postpartum, I am like almost 3 months now, and I can really go a little bit intense. So it's up to you and how you're feeling, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to make a circle with our pelvic, with our hips. 1, very good. 50 seconds. Really feel the stretch. Take it easy if you need to. No need to push it if you don't feel like. Try to do both sides. Circle all the way back. Push your hips all the way back. 3. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. We're going to be doing 12 squats, bodyweight squats. Let's start. 1, 2, shoulder apart. 3, remember to engage your core. 4, 5, 6, imagine you're sitting down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Rest 30 seconds. We're going to repeat the same movement 2 more times, 12 reps. The standing have to be legs shoulder apart, shoulders back. Tight your core, and we're going to the floor. Ready? 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, don't push yourself, you're gonna do it. 5, 6, don't lock your knees on the top. 7, I'm slightly bending them. 8, 9, 10, 11, come on. 12, 13, 12. Very good. Rest 30 seconds. And the key here is that you really engage your core. Breathe in. Imagine you're in the ocean. Breathe in. Push your belly button to your spine and keep it tight, okay? Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come on, 11, 12. Try to rest. Breathe in and breathe out. Shake a little bit your body. Now we're going to the floor. I will bring my mat. Here is the mat. If you want to add more resistance to the exercise, try to add some resistance band or a dumbbell or a kettlebell, depending what equipment you have available. We're going to do it without any weight, okay? 12. Remember, engaging your core to the belly button to touch the spine. We're going to lift our hips, squeeze our glutes on the top, and coming down. 1, 2, 3. You need to really push through your heels and squeeze your glutes on the top. 4. Engage your core. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, very good. 10, 11, and 12. We're going to stay on the top. We're going to squeeze and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Resting 30 seconds. And remember, if you want to add resistance more, you can put a dumbbell here, you can put a kettlebell or resistance band, okay? Let's do it. 2 more sets. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go up. 1, 2. Push through your heels. 3. Lift your hips. 4, 5, 6. You need to feel this exercise in your glutes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 11, 12. Stay on top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and going down. Rest 30 seconds. Remember to breathe in and breathe out. You're doing it very good, doing it great. This is the last set. Come on, let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, come on, 10, 11, and 12. Hold on the top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to go to the kickbacks, donkey position. Donkey position. We're going to lift our leg up and down, okay? If you cannot do it like that, you can do it like this as well if you want to. Remember to engage your core and really engage it. Try to squeeze it because that will help us also to build up the pelvic floor as well, because the core, the lower core is part of the pelvic floor muscles. So we're going to do 12 kickbacks. Remember, you have 2 options, this one or this. If you want to add more tension and more resistance, you can add a resistance band if you want, okay? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, if you don't feel comfortable doing it, don't do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 11 and 12. We're going to change to the second leg. The same instructions. Remember, I am not like this. I'm not hyperextending my back. I'm having a neutral position. In this neutral position, my goal is to engage the core. 1, and I keep in the same position. 2, 3, come on, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and very good. Going to rest, 30 seconds, recover, drink some water, and we're going back. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, girls. 1, 2, take it slow if you cannot do it so fast. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, come on, 11, and 12. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do this for your kid. 8, 9, do it for yourself. 10, 11, come on, and 12. Rest 30 seconds. Breathe in and breathe out. Sometimes we need some extra push. Try to, your why can be your family. You're doing it because your family, you do it because your baby. Do it because you want to be healthy. You want to take care of yourself. Let's go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, very good. 3, we're almost there. 4, 5, engage your core. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, come on, 10, 11, and 12. Rest. Ooh, I started to feel it also. Very good. Breathe in and breathe out. This is just a 10-minute exercise routine. The reason why we're doing it so fast is because we don't have too much time and we're ready to shorten the rest period so we can get in all the exercise. We're going to do the Romanian deadlifted with a single leg. If you have weights, great. Sorry, my nose is itching. If you have weights, great. If not, do it without it, okay? The purpose of this is to have to hinge our hips back. Having a neutral back, shoulders back, engaging the core, and we're going down and up. I have lift, one of my legs are up and the other one is straight to the floor. 1, very good, engaging your core. 2, push your head looking down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, very good, 8, 9, engage your core. 10, you need to really push your hips back. 11, good, and 12. You need to feel these ones in your hamstrings and also in your glutes. Other leg, same instructions. Shoulders back, engage your core. We're going to the floor. 1, 2, 3. If you're having like mobility, difficulty for stability, the foot that is behind, put a little bit more forward, more back so you can have more stable. 5, 6, come on, 7, 8, 9, 10, very good, 11, and 12. We're going to rest 30 seconds, drink some water, recover your breath. Another feet in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, breathe in and breathe out. 3, engage your core. 4, 5, very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Other feet. Vamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will feel this one with your hamstring. 6 and your glutes. 7, 8. Very good. Come on, girl. 9. You can do this. 10, 11, and 12. Rest 30 seconds. And the last set. We can do this. We're almost there. My baby is sleeping over there. So we need to hurry up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. 2 more. 11 and 12. Last set. I think you can hear my baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your back straight. 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11 and 12. Very good. Very good. We're going to cool down now. Lift those legs up like marching. Take your time. Don't push it. You're doing it great. We just finished our workout. We're just cooling now. We're marching just to cool down, okay? And then we're going to do the circle. Very good. You do it great. This 10 minutes exercise routine is very easy, fast. If you want to keep it very difficult, you can add weight or resistance band if you want. Remember always to breathe in, take enough water, and take it easy. Be nice with your body and gentle. Do as much you can. If you cannot do the 12 reps, you can reduce the reps and the sets according to your fitness level. No need to push it. I think that's all. Thank you very much for watching this short workout session. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment if you like it or not. Un beso, familia. Hasta pronto.